Starting a new goal is never easy, but don't stress. We got you. Create Your Physique 𝒚𝒖𝒓 Pro with all of us in mind. Let's get into it. First, enter in your profile because all this info along with your desired goal is used to make your customized diet with foods you actually want to eat. While you cannot reach your goal without a tailored plan, there are several ways to get there. Here are your 4 options. The customized plan is the easiest to follow. Tell the app what you want to eat and it'll tell you how much of that food you should eat and at what time of the day you should eat it. To start you off, there's a guide. Anything meat lover, vegetarian, vegan. If you don't care for what is there, you're always able to change it. If you choose 5 meals, you'll eat within a 12-hour window. And if you choose 6 meals, you'll eat within a 15-hour window. You can choose to have shakes and reminders if you wish. These are my portions, so don't get scared. I'm 4'11" and I weigh 105 pounds. I want to get lean, so my carb portions are less and my protein intake is a little higher. These portions change with different goals. It will not be the same if I choose lose weight or gain mass. Once I reach my goal, I can choose the maintenance plan and keep myself in check. I can change the protein if I want something different. Same for carbs and for fats. Everything is there. The app doesn't deny you anything. It even looks out for you. It's designed to have you eat the right kind of carbs at the right time of the day. So heavier carbs are not an option towards the end of your meal cycle. The customized meal plan option is a great tool. By weighing your personalized portions with a food scale and following the plan that you created, you will reach your goal. Now let's talk about macros, because not everybody understands how it all works. I sure didn't. Counting macros is not the same as personalized portions. It's a little confusing, but it doesn't have to be. While it may be more time consuming, it's certainly another way to reach your goal. I'll explain and you decide which option is best for you. Staying within your macros will help create your physique, but only if done correctly. Counting macros is about figuring out how much of that macronutrient is in a specific food item. For example, the amount of protein in 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of cooked chicken is higher than the same 100 grams of steak or salmon. So if the app suggests 36 grams of protein per meal, then we have to figure out the macronutrient in the food item we are consuming. We might be putting 3, 4, or 5 ounces of food on the plate. It all depends on the macros in the food item we want in our meal plans. Just like anything else, numbers change when your profile changes. That always includes your weight or your goal. If your activity level changes, so will your suggested macros. Light activity is 1 to 3 workouts a week, moderate is 4 to 5, very active is every day, and extra is twice a day every day. You can see what I just summed up more in depth when you hit the little green button in the corner. This method is not for everyone, but it's here if this is your chosen path. We also show how to effectively do keto and how to effectively do intermittent fasting. Personally, I just want to know what to eat, when to eat, and how much I should eat, but we wanted to give our users every method so they can pick whichever path works best for them. On the bottom of the app, you'll see an interest tab that leads to very useful information, including some tips that help. This is so useful because it helps you accelerate your progress. We talk about how to weigh your foods, the role of different waist trainers, another use for preparation H, cheat meals, and how to calculate how much water you need. I try to drink 20 ounces of water per meal. That's what the app suggests, and it really does help me get closer to my gallon goal. Another tab is for shopping. You absolutely need a scale for your food because you have to weigh your food in order for any of this to work. You need a scale for yourself because we can't calculate your personalized portions without knowing your exact weight. You need containers to put your food in, a lunchbox to carry your food in, items to cook your food with, things to work out with, clothes to work out in. Some people are interested in supplements and have no idea where to start. This is why I wanted to create the store. I don't want people to get frustrated and give up. While some items are an investment, there's no need to go broke on this quest. You will see the most essential items are extremely reasonable. Another tab on the bottom of the app includes videos. We've all seen some great videos on social media and follow the ones we love, but here are just a few easy-to-do recipes to get you started. This journey doesn't have to be tasteless. The supplement page is a guide in the event that you want to take supplements. These items can help you accelerate the progress but won't do the work of following your personalized portions, weighing your foods, and getting some activity into your routine. I know life keeps us busy, but finding time to take care of ourselves is vital for our overall health. It's a big part of why my husband and I created the app. These methods work. We just wanted to create something that made it simple so people don't get frustrated and give up. We know the struggle and are doing this journey with you. Thanks for giving me the time. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Download CYP Pro today and let us help you create your physique.